I'm here to part of our program to cook vegetarian kOKO sibzamini, and we had a three potato, one onion, two eggs, and a spice. I'm going to do this. Now I grate the onion, and I have to take all the water of onion off like that, without water inside. This is the water we have not to use. Before I cooked the potatoes with water. Now this is the cooked potato. I grate. Now when I grate the potatoes, I'm going to put in my bowl. Then I put eggs, 2 eggs. Then I put turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, and black pepper. Black pepper is make very delicious, and I mix it all these grating together. I have to put for half an hour in fridge freeze, then bring it back to cook. And now everything is ready. Before I cook, I'm going to add one spoon bread crumble
and mix it.
and mix it.
Hello everybody, I'm coming now.
Yes, my wife came. Okay, now I mix it, and I need the towel. After we fry the potato, we put it on the top of that.
We take 1 tablespoon, full tablespoon of potato and put in the very hot oil to fry.
The oil must be extremely hot.
Yes.
You can hear the voice of oil, the noise of oil.
Jizz.
Yes, cheese. I'm very lucky my wife came on time.
When the inside is cooked, you must
So, my dear friends and my vegetarian friends, now kOKO سیب زمینی is ready, and please help yourself, and I'm with you at the end of the program.